One time I met a politician and I said, as a joke, that was me, Miriam. Balita ko, meron ka raw po na sisi na 18 years old. The politician said, lumang balita yan, 28 years old na siya ngayon. Here's a pick-up line for bankers. Can you recommend a good bank? Kasi I'm planning to save all my love for you. Mathematics. Matalinong lalaki plus matalinong babae equals romance. Matalinong lalaki plus bobong babae equals affair. Bobong lalaki plus matalinong babae, kasal. Bobong lalaki at bobong babae equals sexually transmitted disease. Gusto mo ba ng trabaho? Meron sa PLDT, 10,000 per day. Ikaw yung dial tone. Meron sa DPWH, 10,000 per day. Ikaw yung speed bump. Meron sa post office, 10,000 pesos per day. Didilaan mo lahat ng stamp. What is the difference between confident and confidential? A young boy asked his dad, what is the difference between confident and confidential? The father said, you are my son, confident ako doon. Yung best friend mo sa school, anak ko rin yun. Five tips for a happy man's life. Have a girl to help you at work. Have a girl to take care of you and to love you. Have a girl who can make you laugh. Number 4, have a girl who spoils you. And lastly, number 5, siguraduhin na hindi magkakakilala ang 4 na babae. Kapag mamatay na ako, huwag na huwag kang pumunta sa libingan ko. Baka tumibok uli ang puso ko. Miss, kutsara ka ba? Kasi papalapit ka pa lang, napapangangangat na. Suicide, homicide, insecticide, lahat ng pamatay. Pero kung gusto mo ng pampabuhay, i-try mo ang by my side. Wala ko na talaga ang mga mata ko. Pwede ba akong humingi sa iyo ng kahit konting pagtingin?